Assalam, this is me, Dr. Saifullah. I welcome you to the Excel Hacks for Business Professionals. If this is your first time here and you want to take your Excel skills to the next level, then start right now by subscribing and getting notifications so that you don't miss a single video. In this video, we will explore how we can split single cell into multiple rows. If you want to work through the example with me, you can download the example file and you will find the link below in the description box. So let's get started. Here is our source data. We have a list of employees along with equipments that the company has allocated to them. We can see that James Scott, for example, has a home printer, tablet, key holder, access card, credit card, and 2 laptops. All of these equipments are given in a single cell separated by semicolon and followed by a space. All of these equipments also have ID numbers separated by colon, and now the goal is to split all equipment information into separate rows for each employees, and we will use Power Query to perform all these tasks. Before Power Query, we would need to use some complex formulas to achieve this end result, and that was also time consuming. But with Power Query, it becomes a few simple transformations. Firstly, we will load our data into Power Query, and to load our data into Power Query, we will click in any cell in the table and go to data, and from data select from table range. The Power Query window will open and show the data from the table. Firstly, we will split equipment column, and to split equipment column, we will select equipment column, and from the home window select split column. Here many options are given, but we will select by delimiter. We have given multiple options, but our delimiter was semicolon followed by a space, and this option is not given in this list. So we will select custom. After selecting custom delimiter, we will write here semicolon followed by a space. Then the next option is split at. We have three options. We can select leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter, and each occurrence of the delimiter. And we will select each occurrence of the delimiter. Then we will move to advanced options, and from the advanced options we will select rows from split into and press on OK. Now our data is splitted into multiple rows, but if we look at our data, still equipment column has ID numbers or attribute numbers of the equipments, and we need to separate equipment and attribute number into separate columns. And again we will click on split columns and go to by delimiter. Here our delimiter is colon, as there is a colon between equipment name and attribute, and press on OK. So the data is converted into two columns. One is the equipment name and second is attribute name. We can rename our columns. First equipment, and second is equipment attribute. And in the last step, we will close this Power Query editor and load data into Microsoft Excel. From the close and load, we have two options. First is close and load. This will save our data and automatically create an other Microsoft Excel sheet and paste our new data into that sheet. And second is close and load to. And if we select this option, then we have multiple options to save our new data into different files. We will simply select close and load. The new sheet is created by table 1-1, and we have our data separated into multiple columns and rows. So we have completed our today's task of splitting single cell data into multiple rows and columns. If you like this video, click on subscribe, like and comment. I will catch you next time. If you have any questions related to finance and financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best solutions. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.